Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love cooking or just want an easier time in the kitchen, today's video is for you. We're counting down the top 20 Amazon kitchen items every home cook needs, Holiday Edition. These are affordable, practical, and perfect for upgrading your home before the holiday rush. And yes, all items are linked below so you can easily check them out. Let's jump straight into number 20. 20. Silicone baking mats. Stop wasting money on parchment paper. Silicone baking mats are non-stick, reusable, and perfect for cookies, veggies, and pastries. 19. Measuring cups and spoon set. Every home cook needs a precise, stainless steel measuring set, especially for holiday baking. 18. Glass meal prep containers. These help you store leftovers, keep ingredients fresh, and stay organized during busy cooking days. 17. Adjustable rolling pin. Perfect for cookies, dumplings, pizza dough. The thickness guides make everything uniform. 16. Digital instant read thermometer. Your turkey, steak, and baked treats will never be overcooked again. 15. Silicone spatula set. Heat-resistant, flexible, and ideal for baking, sautéing, and scraping down bowls. 14. Knife sharpening tool. A sharp knife is safer, and this little tool brings dull blades back to life in seconds. 13. Electric milk frother. Make cafe-style lattes, cappuccinos, and matcha at home, the cheapest kitchen luxury ever. 12. Snap-on pot strainer. This clip-on silicone strainer saves space and makes draining pasta ridiculously easy. 11. Stainless steel mixing bowls. Lightweight, durable, and essential for mixing dough, salad, or marinades. 10. Silicone baking cups. Reusable muffin liners that save money and reduce waste. Perfect for cupcakes and egg bites. 9. Reusable food storage bags. Eco-friendly zip bags for snacks, freezer storage, and meal prep. 8. Bamboo cutting board set. A durable set that doubles as serving boards for holiday parties. 7. Non-stick loaf and baking pans. Great for banana bread, pound cake, and holiday gift loaves. 6. Collapsible colander. Space-saving design that expands when you need it. Ideal for small kitchens. 5. Stainless steel whisk set. You'll use these for sauces, baking, scrambling eggs, everything. 4. Mini waffle maker. The viral TikTok waffle maker that makes cute holiday breakfasts. 3. Kitchen tongs set. If you don't have quality tongs, your cooking life is harder than it needs to be. 2. Utensil rest with drip tray. No more mess while cooking, perfect for spoons, spatulas, chopsticks, and ladles. 1. Electric hand mixer. A holiday must-have for baking cookies, whipped cream, mashed potatoes, and everything in between. And there you have it, the top 20 Amazon kitchen essentials every home cook needs this holiday season. All product links are below, so check them out before prices change. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more home and kitchen picks. Thanks for watching, and happy holiday cooking!